It's really weird. 5 million years ago we turn up, and then the Stone Age kicks in about 2 million years ago. Before the Stone Age, how did they do hunting? We were hunter-gatherers, but there's no stones. And they were just going, look, bison, bison, come on. Look, bison. God, help me, fucking bison. It's a buffalo, I think it's a buffalo. It's bison, it's buffalo, same thing. Okay, now. Well, that worked. And the others come running up. Sorry we're late, traffic was... There were no excuses for being late in the Stone Age. Traffic was... I had to write a report. I was backing out the cave. Sorry, I'm late. What the fuck happened? I hit a bison with this, and he fell out. He's dead. That's fucking brilliant. This could be the beginning of an age, Jeff. That's what I thought. The big things falling over when hit by things age. Yes. Oh, the Stone Age. Stone Age, yes. And so it began, the Stone Age. And you think of the Stone Age now, you think the Stone Age, it's the oldest, kind of crampiest kind of Stone Age. But it's in fact, at that time, it was the most advanced that any creature on this planet had ever been. The Stone Age. It was the most amazing time. We were hunter-gatherers. I would have been a hunter. I don't know about you, gatherers. I thought hunters used to hunt and then gather the stuff and bring it home. I thought that's what it was. Apparently not. Gatherers gather the berries. And I wouldn't have done that because it just seems boring. And I know, boring in those days. Life was just fear and starvation. Everyone looked brilliant. That was the upside of the Stone Age. We looked fantastic. Let's go hunting. Jemima, Steve, Kenny, Rogers, come on. Let's go on. Just wear underpants. We look fantastic. You look brilliant. Actually, hold me over a pond. Hold me over a pond. I want to see what it looked like. No mirrors. Hold me over a pond. How do you look, sir? A little bit hangy-downy, but pretty good.